Prime Minister Andrew Holness believes Jamaicans who do not vote are contributors to failed political representation in various constituencies. Mr. Holness made the comment on the Southeast Clarendon by-election campaign trail. He also acknowledged that the many problems, including bad roads, will not be solved immediately. Shamela Pullen reports.
It's some 48 hours to go before the constituents of Southeast Clarendon make their mark. On Monday, the polls will open, and although the PNP will not contest the by-election, the ruling party refuses to take anything for granted. The Prime Minister knows that many Jamaicans, not only those in Southeast Clarendon, are turned off from the political process. He insists that opting out of the process is not the answer.
Who say me nah vote because nothing nah go happen? That is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Nothing happens because you have not voted. That is the reality. When politicians are able to hold power without having to contemplate your vote, then what kind of politician you think you're going to get?
The problems that afflict the constituency are many. Bad roads stand out. Mr. Holness said at one point during a walk he nearly twisted his ankle due to the poor state of the road. But he said constituents should not expect a quick fix.
That there are many communities, many roads like that, not just in Southeast Clarendon, but right across Jamaica. The difficult part of it is having to reason with you and explain to you that there isn't enough money to fix everybody's road, but we need to have representatives who will be there to explain to you what is happening.
This prompted a warning against corruption.
It is very important that these limited resources are not used for frivolous things. It is very important that these limited resources are used in such a way to uplift the community.
Meanwhile, there were more suggestions that the general election is near. Monday's by-election was billed as a warm-up.
Because the statement that we will send on March 2nd is going to be the energy that will move this party into the election when the Most Honorable Brogard calls it.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.